If the washer is not level and legs installed incorrectly, the washer may vibrate and cause noise. Check to make sure that the washer is level and all 4 feet in firm contact with the floor. The legs should be properly installed and the nuts should be tightened against the washer cabinet. If the washer has self-leveling rear legs, those legs should be reset. If the shipping bolts, blocks, straps, or pins have not been removed, this will cause the washer to vibrate. Are other items in the room, such as the dryer, vibrating? This can be a sign that the washer is not leveled properly or the floor is an issue. If the floor is not sturdy enough to support the washer as described in the owner's manual, then the floor can flex and be the cause of the vibration or noise problem. Refer to the installation instructions for flooring requirements. Noise and vibration may be reduced by placing a piece of 3/4-inch plywood underneath the washer. The plywood may extend underneath both washer and dryer to keep them at equal heights. When water is being pumped out of the washer, a humming sound may be heard. When the pump starts drawing in air, it starts to gurgle or make a swoosh. This happens at the end of draining. This is normal. If a squealing sound or hot rubber odor is present, this is a sign that the washer may be overloaded. Reduce the load. If the load that is being washed has metal snaps, buckles, or zippers, or loose items such as change, a metal clanking, scraping, or ticking sound may be heard as the basket turns. Stop the washer and check the tub. If the noise continues after the washer is restarted, there may be objects in the pump, and this would require a service call. A certain amount of clunking, metal clicking, or gear sounds are normal in a heavy-duty washer, especially when the washer shifts into agitation or spin. A clicking sound can also be heard when the water valve turns on and off. This is normal. Water spraying or water running sounds may also be heard when the washer is filling or dispensing the additives. This also is normal. If a knocking noise is heard, make sure the fill hoses and drain hose are not hitting against the cabinet. If necessary, secure these hoses to prevent them from hitting the cabinet. If the load became unbalanced, the basket can hit against the side of the cabinet. Redistribute the load. If this does not solve the problem, a service call may need to be scheduled.